Springs, and today is the whole town garage sale. So it's been a while, probably over 15 years I think since I made it to this whole town garage sale. So we're gonna take time and check it out. So I don't think Brian have been, huh? Have you been?
No, I haven't.
You haven't been. So I'm not a garage sale person. I don't really do a lot of, not that it's anything, but I try to be a minimizer. No, what do you call that? Minimalist. Try to get rid of stuff and live a little bit more simple life. Although I'm not saying I don't have a lot of stuff, but anyway, here we go. We're just gonna go check it out. Hopefully, I don't have to haul anything home. Not that I plan to. So we're approaching Abita Town Center. Abita Springs is a town in St. Tammany Parish, and it is about 45 minutes north of New Orleans. We're gonna find a better parking space. I'm out of the car. That's the famous Abita Brew Pub. A little bit of history of Abita Spring. It was originally a Choctaw Indian village, using its name from a nearby natural springs, which was deemed to have medicinal qualities. Currently, Abita Spring has a population of approximately 3,000. And the Tammany Trace, which we are on right now, also runs across the town center. Join us today and let's do some browsing.
Oh, and there's a Bubba chair. Bobby Lounger. Bottles.
A lot of bargain hunters here.
Only this is a
There you go. I guess it's a garden art.
Probably a couple black and white salt and peppers. There's actually some medium size.
What is that? Some kind of cedar chest, maybe? No. Some kind of chest. Some old tools.
How you doing?
Are you cooking that? That's a big,
Jambalaya. Yes, ma'am.
big pot.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh God, look at him. Cute. Little chair. It's like a metal chair. Oh no, it's a wood chair. I'm sorry. I didn't know this existed behind here. That one apparently says Bill's Cook Shed. How about that? So I guess they can grill here, cook, whatever. Furniture. I tell you, I guess you could find some bargains here. Motorcycle jacket. It fit. $10 leather jacket. How's that?
Absolutely.
Pile of backpack here. Maybe I could find something that's waterproof for my trip to Alaska. Let's see.
Right.
She was asking me earlier. I was like, I'm looking.
Well, she's a good salesperson. There's no
She's
doubt.
out here
I love
working.
the insurance, that's why.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you have to pay to set up here?
The Knights of Columbus allow us to set up here for free.
Oh, okay.
So,
all right.
yep.
There's one here. There's a bunch of them. A lot of good stuff to find. A good find here. Like this one. Filing cabinet. Oh, look at this table and chairs. Oh, it's sold. Look at this girl's bike, $5. Giving it away. No. You have a lot of unique stuff. I mean, a lot of figure vintage stuff. I've never seen a big bottle like that of Sprite. No. I wish I would collect them, but she got a lot of vintage stuff. It says antique stone beer bottle. How about that? Oh yeah, a candy jar. That's a good find. That's a nice piece. Little chairs, toys. The double stroller, 100.
Place to be tomorrow. We'd love for that to be with us. Where our services at 8 to 10 and
It's missing a little knob, but you open the door and the keys are hidden in there.
Oh, very
Ah,
$2, you want it?
clever. Mm, it
$2.
looks like love gone wrong.
So a bandsaw for $50. Look at that. You can have some good bargains here.
beautiful day.
Ryan said that's a swimming pool filter. Not bad, $100. I has a good idea here. Bring a wagon. A lot of people with wagons. Wreath. So it's not everything is flea market. Some of them are like have a little business that's like Scentsy. This one is plant stand. You need some plants here.
Wendy on the one viewing site for native irises in Louisiana this spring.
Cute shoes. Look at this.
Comic production. We have a halftime show at each game.
We have to go do this.
We have a DJ. We have an announcer. A huge scoreboard. I mean, we've got music and concessions.
This is compliments of the roller derby girls on the North Shore.
That's cute. That's vintage. Did you just got a job in this booth?
Ma'am, could you please move along, let the other customers come in?
That's the problem.
As I do.
Well, it's a sign. Signs in my house.
So the lady's trying to talk him into a blue shirt. It's a nice little scale.
That is. My son's room, he had all, all of it. Whatever you need.
$10 for the chair. Little bassinet. Just need a little painting. Yeah, I guess if you're a vintage collector, this one just need to be cleaned up and repainted. Looks like this is an old camera.
Yeah.
70 pound tag thing on it, but
Yeah.
you know,
What is that, a samurai or something?
I'm thinking it's some sort of replica. Fully developed.
It's getting hot now. I guess warm. I take my jacket off.
For some reason, I know you.
There's a lot of good find here. So
That's
it's usually
class.
occur on, I think, the last Saturday of March. It's a whole town Abita garage sale. So I just asked somebody, nope, this is not a free setup. Apparently you have to pay Abita Town Hall to set up somewhere, unless you guess you have a little yard. One of the places to eat here. Try to come get breakfast or brunch at Abita Cafe. Baby, I'm here. I decided to have just a cup of decaf coffee, and Brian is gonna have his breakfast again. We're gonna end this video right here. We did not really buy anything except for a couple of Abita Spring t-shirts. Other than that, we're going home empty-handed. If y'all like this video, please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Why don't y'all come and visit Abita Spring one day? Some of you who live in Abita Spring or have visited Abita Spring, what do y'all think? Comment down below. What do y'all think about this whole town garage sale? Anyway, until then, bye!